Hey everyone, Chris here from Crystal Tan, and he's doing unboxing. Tiny unboxing though, I'm poor made. Okay, so first up we got all full of these grocery game chocolate bars. They're not actual food though. So we got four blind bags, and we're gonna open them all. And let's open them all. We're paid more, mate. Alright, so we got our first chocolate bar. Open it. Oh my god, what do I do with these? Oh, we got weird kind of ketchup, as you see here. And our next one. Alright, so we got, this one. We got, I think it's a cup. It's a cup. You drink it. So I'll leave it here. So here. Just here. Here. Okay. So let's open our second pack. By the way, these feel really heavy. I feel really heavy. And we got the French fries, which I think they're really common. A lot of people get them. So let's just put them here. We got what is called, I think it's a garbage can thing. I don't know. Alright. Ooh, we got this bitten cookie. I wonder if you got bitten by a zombie. Alright, we got juice, beer, Okay. And I think up to one. No! I love that. And yeah, let's open it. Our last chocolate bar for the day. I'll be grateful to get some more of these, guys. Grateful to get more of these, guys. Let's see. We got emoji sunglasses. Let's see here. Emoji sunglasses guy. How cool is that? Where's the final bag? The final bag! No. Open it. And I think we got what is called a pretzel, I think. Yeah, I think it's a pretzel. So we got this, swag glasses guy, and this. See you later, guys. We'll see you next time. See ya. Bye.